And we're back with a brand new Smedioks mold. This one right here is the 4-inch Bandito Bug 2-cavity stone mold. Let's crack it open, see what we get inside, and let's make our own Bandito bugs. Here's everything you get inside. Instructions on how to make soft plastic baits, a bottle of oil. Stone molds do require oil, so it's awesome that they provide one for you, and the stone mold itself. Here's a look of the outside of the mold. On one side you have the imprint of Smedioks, lots and lots of ventilation holes. The other side you have the imprint of the Bandito Bug itself. All of the molds are made with high precision CNC machines. This is the inside of the mold, lots of great detail. They pre-shoot all the molds for you to make sure you're not getting a defective mold. Alright, let's go ahead and oil this mold down and shoot our own baits, and hopefully we can get a great bait that looks just like this one. With the oil provided, we're going to throw a couple of drops into each cavity here. Use a brush to try to spread it out evenly. Close it up. You want to clamp it down nice and tight. Alright, we have the mold all clamped up. Probably don't need this many clamps, but you just want the mold to be secure so none of the plastisol spews out the sides or the bottom. Got our plastisol cooked to a perfect 350 degrees. I'm going to add a color called Baby Bass from Little Works here. Stir it up, and I'm gonna throw in some chartreuse glitter. Give it a nice pop. Mix that up really well. Once it's mixed up, go ahead and grab the injector. Shoot the mold. Nice, slow, even pressure down. Once it's filled up, give a little bit more pressure down. Help some of the air escape to prevent some of those dents, some of the air pockets. And always make sure to top it off. Go ahead and give that about 2 to 3 minutes to cool off, and we'll take a look, see how we did. Think it's cooled off enough. Let's open it up and take a look. Oh yeah. That's money. You definitely see the vent holes did their job. The detail on these are amazing. This mold truly does shoot like a dream. No issues whatsoever. Smedioks 4-inch Bandito Bug stone mold is A1. Highly recommend this mold. Smedioks, great job on the Bandito Bug mold. They have a great lineup of stone molds, a lot of different baits, top of the line, high quality, durable stone molds. Can't beat it. Great job.